Welcome back, viewers. I think we might do something about this parcel shelf up here. Parcel tray, whatever you want to call it. So we'll get into that. What do you reckon, dog? Okay. Really old quick grip. Cut a piece of carpet roughly to size and made a template up and cut this out. So let's get into it. Alright, viewers, got that made up and put in. It wasn't too hard, just had to make a little template out of a bit of carpet paper and a bit of quick grip on either side, contact, and we've got ourselves a parcel tray or shelf, whatever suits your purpose. Awesome. On to something new. Here's the endless list, it keeps growing, and we can take off parcel tray. Sure, I'll fill that spot with something else. That's one thing off the list. Now what next?